welcome back to the channel. This is Katanya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. Let's begin a stretch break today. This is for a hip opener. So we're going to begin by rocking forward and back. Just make sure you scoot forward a little bit in your chair so you have some wiggle room. You have more control. Abs in tight. Relaxing the neck and shoulders. I'm so glad you're here and you're taking time out for you for better health. So back and forward, nice and relaxed. Inhale, exhale. Get one more. Feels good. Then we're going to take a little rotation, torso rotation, still relaxing the head and shoulders. Let's take it around 4 times. Always do what's right for you. So if there's something that doesn't work for you, change it up. Then we're going to go the other way, around. With the breaths. And one more. Nice. All right, let's get a knee hug in there. Up nice and tall, shoulders back, and just pump the ankle a couple times. Then we'll do ankle circle. Reverse. And now we're going to place that foot on the opposite thigh and just a little rock side to side. I just want to mention that we do offer memberships now, finally. glorifiedbodiesfitness.com, so check the description below and see what we offer. It was by request of our members, so glad that it is done for you. If you want, you can rock the baby, bring it up a little higher, see if this is comfortable for you. So lots of fun things on the website, even for non-members. So let's do a little rock forward and back. So after your stretch break, head on over. Inhale, exhale, give a little press on the thigh if you're comfortable with that to open it up more. And a couple more. Inhale back, exhale forward. Good, and then we're gonna release. So don't forget to hit that like button and do subscribe if you haven't already. Do share, especially if you know people this would greatly benefit them. Good, let's go to the other side and hug in. Excellent, pump the ankle and circle around. Reverse. And let's put it on the opposite thigh again. Get your rock on. I just feel this is so soothing. It helps her relax the groin, the thigh, inner thigh, and just relax you. Get a better stretch that way. And if you want, you can just raise it up higher, your leg. Hold wherever you want. Get a better stretch here. And then we'll rock forward and back. And back. Inhale. Exhale. Take your time, no rush. Lengthen the spine, try not to round it, hinging from the hip as you lean forward. Okay, one more. Good. And now we're going to release it, bring it out to the side, out and in. Feels good, huh? Okay, release, and let's just take the other foot back up, open, and then we're going to pull it across. Little rock here again. So towards the opposite shoulder. Feel that right in the glute, side of the hip. Good, and then one more time, press open. Notice you can go further. Hope so. And let's switch sides. Put it on the opposite thigh. Then pull it across. Feel free to rock. Try to keep your torso lifted. Breathe deeply. Smile. Tell yourself something wonderful today. All right, very nice. Let's open that out again. Lengthen the spine. Good, and release. Oh, that's good. We got new hips. Shake, shake, shake. And just do some cleansing breaths up. And pressing down. Up. Relaxing the jaw. Exhale. One more. And pressing down. Let's flip the palm up. Open it out. Stretch it back. And you're going to give yourself a nice big hug from me to you. Don't forget to hit the like button, do subscribe, and head on over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com and see all the wonderful things we have on the site. All right, peace and love. Ta-ta.